Hello, my name is Versha Carter and I'm the Group Exhibition Director for Diversified Communications for the Cotswolds office, and I am the founder of the GEO Business event. So this event started because a number of trade associations and societies working in the geospatial industry recognised that there was a need for an event. They didn't have the ability to deliver that event themselves, so they approached us. So from the outset we had real ownership from the industry. They wanted to offer an event to their community that would really raise the profile of their industry. Prior to us, they were just hosting events in small hotel conference venues, and they needed a showcase that would demonstrate how innovative this subject was and really actually how high tech it is. So the visitors that come to this event are people that are needing technology or solutions to better understand their geographic environment. So it's quite a broad sector of society. You might have on one level people that are interested in the insurance industry and need to have spatial awareness, and people involved in construction, highways, railways. It's a horizontal audience of visitors that come to this event. Like so many events these days, there's a real networking side of it. Because we've been working with this venue in particular, we've introduced an L trail. Instead of us just purchasing all the beer from the venue, which you might normally have to do, we've come to an agreement with the Business Design Centre where they enable us to source really unique local beers from throughout the country, quite often in locations close to our sponsoring exhibitor. We had 20 stations on the floor last night where our visitors could go from station to station tasting local beers from throughout the United Kingdom. And that really kept visitors on the show floor and extended that whole networking opportunity right through till 7 o'clock in the evening. So in terms of the technology that we use to put the event together, we do work with D2i Systems and we utilise their software. Our marketing visitor database and our exhibitor database and our operations database are completely intertwined. We feel that by using this software, it provides a better customer service opportunity to our customers, because nobody in our team, whether they're from finance, operations, marketing, works in silos. We worked very much joined together, and because of that I think we offer better customer service than a lot of our competitors. So we started as a very small company, and then we were actually sold and purchased by Diversified, the larger company that now own us. When we were very small, we had a very small number of staff working for us, and I feel that D2i enabled us to work so much more efficiently that actually I think it saved us significant amounts on staffing. So it has been absolutely at the fundamental element of our business.
So my name's Matthew Wilson. I work for a company called D2i Systems, and I am the Sales and Marketing Director. We've been working with the team from Diversified probably for around 12 years now, and we've been working with GEO Business since it was launched as an event. So we really have seen it grow from a launch event to the great event that you can see with us today. Our involvement is pretty much everywhere across the whole business and show cycle. So with our systems, we provide the team here with a centralized database that's built for the event sector, which allows them to house all the behavioral intelligence and statistical information to sell the show, to market the show, to deliver the show, and then to run the finance, all important for the show as well. So our system is providing their team with a really good database that has a sales lead management tool for it, a marketing tool with it, the operational tools to actually manage the exhibitor and contractor journey, pre-reg journey. And then to top it all off, we're actually coming here on site to give them an on-site version of our technology that does badging, access control and data capture. Working with Diversified for such a long period has given me the experience of seeing how they use our systems to actually grow the show and sell more floor space, which is what this is all about really. So because they're using our system for collecting all the information about the exhibitors and the same system for collecting all the information about the visitors coming along, so all their products and services, what they're coming to buy or sell, and then also we've got the data capture service here. What I've seen the team do with our system is see an overlay of all the information, which allows their sales team to really consultatively help their customers because they know exactly who they were coming to see. But they can also help them with new products, new services, because they can tell actually there's a gap here where we could really help you, and that's how they've started to grow this show and sell more space and get more yield from it. So Engage is being used across the world at the moment for several different formats of events. So our history, D2i, we came from the B2B expo and conference world, so of course we work with many clients like Messe Frankfurt, we work with Diversified, clearly, Clarion Events, but we also work with different formats of events. So we work with the Farnborough Air Show, UCAS, we're actually in London this week working on the Chelsea Flower Show. So although they're very different types of event, attracting a very different audience of customers, actually the principle of what the system does for each one of those customers is giving them one system with a really good database that allows them to enrich the knowledge they have about their sector, their customers, to make sure that they're always delivering exactly what the customers want. The balance between bespoke and off-the-shelf, it's an interesting one for us because as a software house, we only write software for the events industry. So we have an off-the-shelf product, but we have every single one of our clients is quite unique and they do need customization and bespoke work. So we create bespoke modules and tools and customize our standard products, but they always work in tandem with the core database. So it means that they get the benefit of a very stable product, but with all of the specific tools and all the specific routines that that business needs. And in all the years that we've been working, there has never been one client that completely matches another client. They always have something that's really unique to their business model, where they're going to need us to either integrate part of our platform or change some of the tools, and that's our ace in the hole really as a company.
Our long-term relationship with D2i, they really have a real understanding of our business. So when we've had to address certain issues and develop certain technology that would meet our individual need, they already know how we're doing business, so they're quite often able to find solutions for us. We've got some of the off-the-shelf elements of the D2i software, but they have also developed a number of other systems for us that we integrate in, and all in a really cost-effective way, which for a small business when we started out was really an important element of choosing to work with them.